power system together myself, so I'm aware of how it works. The first problem that I had is that it never seemed like my batteries were charging. When I started the ambulance and drove it, the batteries still weren't holding a charge. So that told me the problem that I had wasn't with my solar panels on the roof and any connection to the battery, because it wasn't charging from the solar panels or from my alternator. So that meant that there was a problem with my batteries. So a friend and I took apart the batteries and tested the voltage on each of them and found out that one of my used batteries kinda died. So we eliminated that from my power source, kept it down to the 2 batteries, and now my power is working amazing. Next problem. So yesterday I realized that my batteries weren't charging again. I was worried that it was another battery. When I ran the ambulance, the batteries were charging. That tells me there's got to be a problem somewhere between my solar panels and my batteries. So when I looked at my charge controller that I have up on the wall, it showed that no power was coming in from my solar panels. So I played with the wires, realized a wire had come loose, and now I need to disconnect the negative and the positive and redo that wiring, and I'm back to full charge. Pretty easy troubleshooting. I hope you found some of these tips useful. I know they've helped me figuring them out, and maybe they'll help you as well. Much love, everyone.